Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Bitcoin Trapper. Today we have a lot of news to go over. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm just gonna go over this news real quick. So Mike Novogratz did Galaxy Digital to launch a new Bitcoin fund in Canada. Finally, some little news on Canada. I don't know why we don't have a Canadian company that's doing this. I don't know why it has to be an American company. But Galaxy Digital, a cryptocurrency merchant bank founded by Mike Novogratz, is expanding its crypto offering in Canada. According to a November 6th announcement, Galaxy Digital has partnered with a major Canadian investment company, CI Global Asset Management, to launch a public Bitcoin (BTC) fund in the country. I think that more Canadian companies need to stand up and do this because this is, well, they're partnered with a Canadian company, but I don't see why they need an American company to partner with. A Canadian company on itself should be able to do this. Not a piece of news. MicroStrategy, Bitcoin is worth 650 million, up 50% in 3 months. So MicroStrategy Bitcoin is now worth 650 million since the company invested in the cryptocurrency this summer. Square, which invested 50 million in Bitcoin in October, has seen its Bitcoin value raise to 80 million. Today, Bitcoin broke the 17,000 mark for the first time since January 2018. MicroStrategy, an international business intelligence firm, invests 425 million in Bitcoin between August and September of this year. Now its Bitcoin is worth 650 million. So they invested 425 million and now it's worth 650 million. I guess Bitcoin is a best investment of the year. Western Union suspend US dollar transfer to Cuba. I find this so stupid. So stupid. How is people supposed to send money back home to their family? This is why I always say Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is the future. The world's largest money transfer service, Western Union, is suspended US dollar transfer to Cuba following the latest sanction from the Trump administration. The move means US customers with Cuban families or friends will know will now have a find now will now have to find an alternative method to send money back home. Hmm. Today we inform our customers they have limited time to send money to their loved ones from the US to Cuba due to a new US government rule that will take effective on November 26, 2020. Western Union said in a blog post. Okay. Okay, there's something here about decentralized. Okay. The development is a reminder of cryptocurrency core value proposition, decentralized network, how no border and are open to all customers. No border are open to all customers. One that sending and receiving ends throughout using decentralized exchange can bring the same issues. Throughout using centralized exchange can bring the same issues. So using a centralized exchange, they could stop you from sending money. That is why decentralized network is very important and decentralized exchange is very important because if we have people that can stop you from sending money to your family that needs help, a centralized exchange could do the same thing. But with a decentralized network and a decentralized exchange, they can't stop you from doing that. I find this very important and very big, and this is a very big news. Look at what's happening from Square, Visa, MicroStrategy, all of them. Airbnb IPO prospectus says firm may consider crypto and blockchain. So it looks like Airbnb is looking to do an ICO maybe. Airbnb may have a change of heart on cryptocurrency according to the prospectus from its planned initial public offering (IPO), filed with the U.S. Secretary and Exchange Commission Monday. The prospectus says the company's future success will depend on our ability to adapt to emerging technology, such as tokenization, cryptocurrencies, and new authentication technology. In the future, list distributed ledger and blockchain technology, as well as biometric artificial intelligence, virtual and augmented reality, and cloud technology as being possible key at a future time. While the information is provided in the risk factor section of the document, it also says that. So instead of them doing an IPO, they could do a ICO. I think that would be pretty big. Another set of news: Twitter hires noted hacker as head of security month after Bitcoin scam. As you can see, everything centralized is getting hacked and having problems. So this is a way for them to go over to the decentralized networks and decentralized way. Decentralized Twitter. Twitter has hired a new head of security for 4 months after suffering one of the world's breaches in its 14-year history. Reported by Reuters on Monday, Piet Zato. I have no idea how to say this guy's name. So, but what he is, he's a white hat hacker, going by the handle Mudge. Said he will take charge of security, site integrity, and engineering on behalf of the social media giant. So yeah, PayPal is hiring a white hat hacker for his head of security. That is dope. New debit card gears for Europe launch after Union Pay approval. I have seen something about this on Twitter with a crypto company. A new debit card has gained approval from Union Pay International and aims to foster crypto adoption by making all cryptocurrency equal. By making all currencies equal, not cryptocurrency. All currencies equal. So I've seen in the news, well, not in the news, I've seen on Twitter because of this project I followed. It's called Swipe. I was following this project when it was at like 25 cents, but I never got involved. But yeah, so I saw this, and if you want to check it out, you can check it out yourself. Just go to Swipe on CoinGecko, click on Twitter, and it's going to take you right here. This is the information that I saw a couple of days ago, November 13th. And hearing about this today, 3 hours ago or 4 hours ago, whatever. It's very interesting. So, Swipe is thrilled to announce Swipe X partnership with Union Pay. So, they have a partnership that's very, very, very interesting. Swipe is thrilled to announce that its latest acquisition, FinCorex or Fin, whatever, I don't know how to say this, Swipe X or FinCofex or whatever, Swipe X has received the membership. Yeah, so this the membership with from Union Pay International. So they're gonna be issuing their debit card to um to offer the fiat to their regional, like around in the region that Union Pay is located in. I think it's somewhere in I'm not 100% sure. I think it's in Europe somewhere. So a new debit card is gearing up to launch in 31 countries across the European economy area after becoming one of the first digital asset companies to secure approval for Union Pay International. So, like I said, this I saw today, and I heard about this news a couple of days ago. So that's very interesting. That's big. I think I am gonna probably look a little bit more into Swipe. Maybe get involved. Bitcoin finds a home on Wall Street as stocks fail to rally. if you got into stocks early, you got to understand that stock has hit its limit in a way, except for probably like Tesla and Google and a couple other new companies. But if you got into stocks, you got to understand that stock was at prices that some of these blockchain companies were at when they just launched. So you getting into Bitcoin and a couple other cryptocurrencies is like when the stock market just started out, because nobody did understand it and understand the internet and the technology. So that's the way I look at crypto. Is the same way these people looked at stock back in the day. Well, the smart people that got involved. So Bitcoin is continuing to prove an attractive investment for Wall Street. Crypto global market cap continues its move north, sitting above 470 billion. Despite news of the second COVID vaccine, markets are flat as cases continue to rise. Bitcoin doesn't work on whether the virus is here or virus is not. So keep that in mind. Like Bitcoin doesn't care about that. Yes, it is. It is in a way you could say because of the fiat money and Bitcoin. It's kind of like connected in a way, like with the market, the regular market, the fiat market. You could say that because for the money to come from fiat into Bitcoin, it has to come from somewhere, right? So in a way, until everything pretty much start coming over into this space, then nobody's gonna go or care about the other space. So two little piece of news I'm gonna go over. This is not anything to do with crypto. So Amazon is now a drugstore. It will ship prescriptions to Prime members. Amazon is making its biggest leap into the multi-billion-dollar healthcare industry with the launch of Amazon Pharmacy, a new digital drugstore. Amazon has a digital drugstore. Everything is going digital. Another set of news that I found that was interesting that I think is big is Tesla to join the S&P 500 stock index. Good for Tesla. Tesla will be added to the S&P 500 index on December 21st based on its market value Monday. The electric car maker would be one of the top 10 companies in the benchmark index upon entry. I think this Tesla and SpaceX is the future. These are the companies that's future. The rest of the companies that they that's in the S&P 500 is pretty much dead. Because think about GM. Nobody's going to be using gas cars in the next 20 years. It's going to be banned. So cars that runs off battery and that's good for the environment is definitely the future. So Tesla is a good investment, I would say. Amazon is a good investment. Amazon has been ahead of all these companies like Walmart. I don't think anybody's gonna be shopping at Walmart. So that's all the news I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check out the link in the description. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. It's your boy Bitcoin Trapper. You already know.